of the story them from long ago. Way back when. We make you laugh like when rain a fall and breeze a blow. Way back when. If you want to rekindle the joy there in your soul. Way back when. Tell everybody you know to come and join the show. Way back when. Way back when. Way back when. The king of the land did have one daughter, Princess Kamara. The prettiest girl anybody ever see. Every prince, every warrior, every rich man did want to marry her. But the king said only the man who can do the impossible can get my daughter. And Nancy hear this and rubbing chin.
Impossible? That sounds like Fimi kind of challenge.
The king sent out one big announcement. Whoever can fill up my palace with water and no use no bucket, no river or sea shall marry my daughter. The whole village shock.
How is that possible?
Brother Rabbit asked. Brother Rat shake him head.
Me no know. But me know one thing. But Anansi I go try.
And Nancy grin.
Watch me.
And so, the next morning, Anansi go up to the palace gate and knock.
Me come fi full up the place with water, me king.
The king look down upon him and laugh. With what? You have a bucket? You don't have no river? Anansi smile.
Me just need 2 days and 2 of your best cook.
The king, curious, agree. So Anansi tell the cook them to light up the biggest fire and boil the biggest pot of soup. The whole palace smells sweet with yam, dumpling, carrot, and a big piece of goat meat. But guess what? Anansi tell them to put extra salt in the soup. Enough till it more salty than even the ocean itself. Then Anansi tell the king.
Make everybody in the palace yam the soup.
By midday, everybody in the palace, guard, servant, even the king himself, in there yam the soup. And by the time done, them the thirsty bad. The salt dry out them throat and them tongue feel like sandpaper. Water! The people them bawl out. And I saw them request it, I saw them get it. And Nancy with a big grin just point to the king.
Me king, you know so the palace must full up of water.
The king look round. Everybody a drink. A fling down cup after cup. The whole palace full up with jug and bowl of water. And Nancy spread out him hand and say,
See there, me do the impossible. The whole palace full up of water. I may never use no bucket, me never use no river, I may never use no sea.
The king couldn't believe it. But a deal is a deal. Anansi win. And from that day, Anansi did live like a real king. With him smart mouth, him fast mind, and the prettiest wife in the land. And this something from way back when.